Bo, whose birthday is it? Whose birthday is it?
Dance.
What do you want to say to her?
Happy birthday.
What?
Happy birthday.
And what?
I
Say it loud. Happy birthday.
birthday.
Do you love birthdays?
Yes, I like birthday.
Do you love Gran?
Mom.
You can love Mommy too. Do you love Gran?
Mommy. Mommy.
One more. Say happy birthday really loud.
Mommy.
Okay, say happy birthday really loud. Bo, happy birthday.
Mommy.
Happy birthday, Gran. We love you. Bo, tell Gran what you're eating. What are you eating? Snakes?